So once again, thanks very much for the invitation. As Anna said, my name is Yuri Nisterov. I work for Progress. I am mainly responsible for our secure file transfer product, MOVEit. And yeah, today I've just done a quick agenda for the presentation. It will be mainly quick overview of who is Progress, what else we could do for you, and then I will go straight to what we've gathered today, and what the main aim here is to give you a quick overview of MOVEit. So who is Progress really? I mean, with our nearly 40 years history, we've been recognized as a leader in application development and deployment technology. We are a trusted provider of the best products to deploy and develop and manage high impact business application. Having said that, there are over 6 million business users and more than hundreds of million consumers that are using applications running on Progress technology. In essence, you may be one of them without even knowing that. We we are. I mean, Progress is the largest software company with majority of its revenue coming from other software companies. So this obviously is giving us a fairly stable revenue growth year over year. I mean, we are a public company, so that could be easily checked. That's revenue growth actually give us the ability to invest back slightly over 20% of our income back into our product. So we've got a quite a good number of engineers. It's about 40% of this 1,600 employees. Actually, we are even more now. As I don't know whether you've heard, but we've acquired a company called Chef, which we'll speak about that in a couple of minutes as well. So we've got about 40% engineering of our headcount, and that's excluding the technical support. Here is a quick overview actually of our other product from our portfolio. So basically, we are enabling our customers to build cognitive applications by helping them to provide an adaptive experience with applications or experiences that support all digital touch points needed by you or by your users. I will just drop a name here for our product, native chat. It's this application here. It's a modern competitive advantage. So it's basically our artificial intelligence powered chatbots that automate tasks and information retrieval. So within the current crisis, basically you or your customers could use that, for example, just to keep your employees informed, and also you could save some time from your HR department in responses to frequently asked questions. So the adaptive experience needs to be supported by a cognitive cloud. We've got I mean, lots of, but I will name just 3 of our products here. For rules as a service, we've got our Corticon product. So this product could transform your business rules into profitable decisions. We've got content as a service. Our Sitefinity product sits here. It's digitally connection with your customers, your partners, and obviously employees as well. And last but not least, here we've got the mission critical application platform, our OpenEdge product. It's evolve. It could evolve your business by delivering applications that are highly performing and available and agile. We'll go to the connected data here. Obviously, our secure file transfer products sit here. What we've gathered to discuss today, but also our data direct product is here in terms of data connectivity and integration. Basically, with this product, you could connect any data source to any application. And the operational assurance part, basically, that's what I've mentioned earlier. It's part of it. The DevOps part comes from our acquisition of the US-based company Chef. So I mean, it is critical for organization to have an effective DevOps process that is supported by tools and automation. We do this by providing support that eases the DevOps responses as part of our product offering now with Chef. And we've also got the management and monitoring part. Here we've stand out with our products for network monitoring. Our WhatsApp Goats product, it provides complete visibility to everything that is connected on your network. What is up on your network? What is down on your network? And as I've mentioned earlier, we've got a huge global presence. We've got over 100,000 enterprises across nearly 200 countries. I mean, probably you've picked up a couple of names here. Yep. I mean, but some of the names here are part of these 1,700 vendors who basically use our products to do their business, run the application, and at the end of the day, offering their solutions to their customers. So most companies, I mean, obviously, apart from this technology and digital Goliaths, they've got lack of budget, and they are not able to make such a huge investments as these guys are able to do, and they can achieve this by just turning to us as their trusted provider. And with progress, any organization can achieve the level of differentiation which is critical for today business environments. We help people to address the requirements they need, so they can deliver a high impact solution. So back to the topic that we've gathered to discuss today, really is the secure file transfer, or managed file transfer, as we've called it. So some of the problems that our product MOVEit could help you to address. I mean, obviously, if you're looking into a secure file transfer, the first and the most important part will be the security. But also, if you're looking into such a solution, we reckon that in most of the cases you will be looking to comply with some sort of a regulation. So there comes the control and the option for you to be able to show and to prove the compliance. And last but not least, I mean, the automation part, which basically creates workflows, and it kind of took the burden off from day-to-day admin, and also remove the needs of scripting. So basically, these are our let's say main addition within the our MOVEit portfolio. We're glad that we've been given the data quadrant gold medal for this year, and so we've got it actually for last year as well. So 2 years in a row, and we're really happy that we've been recognized by the data quadrants as they're proudly funded by 100% user review. So in essence, this medal is awarded to us by customers who saw the breadth of the features and the usability of our products. So let me move to the next slide, where we've stand with where we'll be able to you will be able to see some of the main features of the MOVEit Transfer products. Basically, thousands of organizations worldwide are using Progress MOVEit for secure and compliant transfer of sensitive and mission critical data. MOVEit Transfer provides the security, management, and visibility, so it could ensure reliable regulatory compliance, like the GDPR, PCI, DSS compliance, and if part of your organization is in US, we'll be able to ensure the HIPAA compliance there as well. I mean, it's basically gives the complete visibility and control over all file transfer. It secure the access with MFA as well. We've got third-party integration in order for us to strengthen the security with antivirus vendors and with DLP vendors as well. It's done over ICAP. The auto resume. I mean, basically this feature will gives the possibility for example, if due to one or another reason there is an issue with the internet and it stops, so the file will stop. The transfer will stop at the minute, but when the internet connection is back again, it will not start from the scratch. It will start from the last bits of information that's been transferred. Basically, as well, the secure folder sharing for it's for simplified collaboration and file sharing without the security risk type of EFSS solution. But as I've mentioned earlier, we've got third-party integration, but not only with antivirus. I mean, we've got the REST API, so it supports another flexible integration. We've got the tamper evident audit logging. So in essence, even you will be able to pull reports for the system admins as well. So that's part of the reliable regulation compliance. So we'll move to our MOVEit Automation product. It provides advanced workflow automation capabilities without the need of scripting. It's fairly easy to use. Here we've got as well the REST API, so you could do a third-party integration. It also integrate with antivirus solution, but that's possible when it's used simultaneously with the MOVEit Transfer product. Having said that, I would like to mention that the MOVEit Automation is possible to be used as a completely standalone product. Again, we've got the tamper evident audit logging, and what also I would like to mention here is that you could meet definitely your SLAs, as you could set up a specific delivery to be done, let's say at 2 p.m. And if something happens, you will not receive a nudge from the recipient, but you will receive an email notification by the system saying, "Hey, Mr. Admin, due to these reasons, we are not able to fulfill the delivery." Obviously, as every organization, we've got the option for us to host the product. So if you don't need and if you don't want, of course, to have a and to maintain an on-premise environment, you could easily rely on us, and we could give you a SaaS solution. The MOVEit Cloud provides full security, reliability, and compliance with the convenience indeed of a cloud-based service. MOVEit Cloud is hosted in Azure, so it could be a multi-tenant MOVEit Cloud transfer, or it could be a single tenant MOVEit Cloud transfer. For the MOVEit Automation, due to the way product works, it must be a single tenant setup. So having discussing all of the products so far, I would like just to let you visualize, let's say, a basic architecture of our products. As I said, if we could see the upper parts as a standalone installation, so MOVEit Automation could be definitely a standalone, or it could be used alongside with our other products from the MOVEit portfolio. We've got the option here for MOVEit Transfer, doing it via the web browser, or from we've got a Microsoft Outlook integration, so you could easily send securely files over your Outlook with our plugin. So it will not be sent to your Exchange, it will be sent to the MOVEit server. So you could do the reporting part. You could set up also expiry on these files as well, after a certain periods of time, or certain downloads as well. And it could be used as well as a standalone, or it could be combined with the MOVEit Transfer. So thank you very much for your time on this event, and I will be more than happy to have a one-to-one discussion with you later on today or whole day tomorrow.